Good morning everybody. Welcome back to our channel Sri Education. In previous class we learned the chords and their distance from the center of the circle. So here today class 9th class 12th chapter circles exercise 12.4. So here first question in the figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Angle AOB equal to 100 degrees. So find the ADB. You are asking ADB angle. Here ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here cyclic quadrilateral. So here we find the angle ADB. So here O is the center of the circle. Angle AOB equal to 100 degrees. So first we find the angle C. So angle made by an arc at the center is twice the angle made by it's on the remaining part. So here 100 means here 50. Here 50 into 2 equal to 100, twice the center. So here 50, angle C equal to 50 degrees. Now here angle AD quadrilateral ADBC is a cyclic quadrilateral. So ADBC is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles are angle C and D. These two are the opposite angles. These two opposite angles are sum is equal to 180 supplementary angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, supplementary angles, opposite angles are supplementary angles. So C plus D equal to 180. So 180 minus 50 equal to here 130. D is the 130. So we write that one. So here angle, here O is the center. O is the center. O is the center. Next here angle AOB equal to 100 degrees. Here given AOB equal to 100 degrees. Now we find the angle ACB. So here angle ACB equal to 1 by 2 into angle AOB. We know the AOB angle. So here this is equal to 1 by 2 into 100. So now here this is equal to 2 1 is 50. Here 50 degrees. Angle AOC equal to 50 degrees. So we write the reason. Here angle made by an arc at the center is twice the angle made by it on the remaining part. So here angle ACB is a center. So here ACB is a center. So here AB quadrilateral ACBD. ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means inside the circle. So these vertices are touches on circle. So is a cyclic quadrilateral. Here, this one is a cyclic quadrilateral means here angle ACB and angle ADB are the supplementary angles. Supplementary. So here these two are supplementary equal to angle ACB plus angle ADB equal to 180 degrees. Already we know the ACB equal to 50. So here 50 plus angle ADB equal to 180. Now here we write angle ADB equal to 180 minus 50. So here this one equal to here 130 degrees. So here asking angle ADB. Here angle ADB equal to 130 degrees. So this is the first one proof. Next, second question. In the figure, angle BAD equal to 40 degrees. Then find BCD. Here, BAD equal to 40 degrees. Here asking BCD. So first here, these two triangles we show the congruent. After these two are the corresponding angles are equal. So first these two triangles are congruent. We show that. So here observe the diagram. OA equal to OB. These two are the radius of this circle. So next OC equal to OD. These two also radius in the circle. These four are the radius in the circle. So these four are equal length. So first we write that one. So here in the figure, angle BAD equal to 40 degrees. So here in triangle ABO and in triangle OCD. So these two triangles ABO OCD. So compare these two triangles. Here OA equal to OC is a radius. OA equal to OC is a radius. So next OB equal to OD. This is also radius. Now next, here these two angles are equal because these two are the vertically opposite angles. These two angles are equal. Angle AOB equal to angle COD. So these two are equal, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So these two angles are equal. Here two sides are equal and one angle equal. So therefore here triangle ABO is congruent to triangle OCD. These two triangles are congruent. These two are congruent means here angle BAD equal to angle BAD equal to angle BAD equal to here BCD. These two are equal to 40 degrees. Here these two are equal because corresponding parts of a congruent triangles. These two are equal. Here in question angle BAD equal to 40 degrees. So BAD equal to 40 degrees. So here angle BCD equal to 40 degrees. Here asking angle BCD equal to 40 degrees. So this is the second one solution. Next, third question. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. POR equal to 120 degrees. POR equal to angle POR equal to 120 degrees. Find the PQR and PSR. Here asking Q and S angles. So here PSRQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. So first here observe O and Q angles. Here PO are equal to 120 degrees. So here half 60 degrees here because here an arc at the center is twice the angle made by its on the remaining part. So here 120 half is 60. So here 60. Here 60 and Q and S are the is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles are supplementary. So Q plus S equal to 180. So now we find the S angle. So here this is the given diagram. Here angle POR equal to 120. First here O is the center of the circle. O is the center and angle POR equal to 120 degrees. POR equal to 120 degrees. So now here angle PQR. Here asking PQR. So we write here angle PQR equal to here half POR. So here we write the reason. Here angles made by an arc at the center is twice the angle made by on the remaining part. Here center is the 120 means here half. So here 1 by 2 into POR equal to 120. We write here 120. Here 2 ones are 2 60 is equal to 60 degrees. Angle PQR equal to 60 degrees. So now here PSRQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. So is a cyclic quadrilateral. So is a cyclic quadrilateral means opposite angles are supplementary. So here angle PQR and angle PSR are supplementary. Supplementary means these two angles are sum is equal to 180. PQR plus PSR equal to here 180. PQR equal to 60. We know the 60 degrees. Here 60 degrees plus PSR equal to 180. So here now PSR, angle PSR equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120. Angle PSR, here asking angle PSR, PQR. Here one, next one. So these two are here asking. So this is the complete solution of third one. So this is the complete solution of third one. Next, fourth question. If a parallelogram is a cyclic, then it is a rectangle. Justify. So here parallelogram is a cyclic. Cyclic means vertices are lies on the circle. So then it is a rectangle. So justify your answer. So here if a parallelogram is a cyclic means here this is the, suppose ABCD is a parallelogram. Is a cyclic means here ABCD lies on the circle. So this is the diagram. So now here then it is a rectangle. So ABCD is a rectangle. So first here given ABCD is a parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram, is a cyclic. Is a cyclic. Cyclic means here ABCD are lies on the circle. ABCD lies on circle. So this is the given data. So now here then this is the, we prove that this is the rectangle. So first here is a cyclic. Cyclic means opposite angles sum is equal to 180. So here opposite angles are A and C, B and D. So here angle A plus angle C equal to 180 and angle B plus angle D equal to 180. So here sum of the opposite angles, here sum of opposite angles a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Quadrilateral are supplementary. So supplementary. A plus C equal to 180, B plus D equal to 180. So already this is the parallelogram. We know the ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram means opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. So here we know that ABCD is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. A parallelogram. So here parallelogram opposite angles are equal. ABCD is a parallelogram. So opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. So here opposite angles here A, C. Angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. So here these two angles are equal. These two are, we don't know these two angles. So here first one equal to we say X. This one equal to we say Y. So here X and Y. So now these two are the X and Y are the 90 degrees. We show that 90 degrees means here four angles are 90 degrees is a rectangle. So first we show that these angles are 90 degrees. So here A plus C equal to 180, A equal to C means here A equal to C equal to 90 degrees. So here this is the equation 1. So this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. So from 1 and 2 implies here angle A plus C equal to 180, angle A equal to C. Angle A equal to C means here angle A equal to angle C equal to 90 degrees. Next here angle B plus angle B equal to angle D equal to 90 degrees. So here 4 angles are equal to 90 degrees. So here 4 angles are equal to 90 degrees. Means here ABCD is a rectangle. Therefore 4 angles are equal to 90 degrees. So therefore ABCD is a rectangle. So this is the proof of fourth one. Next, fifth question. In the figure, O is the center of the circle and OM is equal to 3 centimeters and AB equal to 8 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle. So here OM here to here 3 centimeters, AB 8 centimeters. AB 8 centimeters means here AM is 4 centimeters and BM 4 centimeters. So here asking the radius of the circle. O to B, join O to B or O to A is a radius. So join these points. This is the right angle triangle. So now here OA is the hypotenuse. Here we find the OA value. So here O is the center. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. OM equal to 3 centimeters and AB equal to 8 centimeters. So here OM equal to 3 centimeters, OM 3 centimeters, A to B equal to A to here 8 centimeters. So now join the AO. AO is the radius. So this is the right angle triangle. So now here AO is a radius. So now here we find the OA length. So here 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. A to B 8 centimeters. So here A to M. Therefore A to M equal to 8 by 4. AB by 2. So here AB by 2 means here 8 by 4 or 8 by 2. So that equal to 4 centimeters. 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 centimeters. So by use the in triangle OAM. In triangle OMM is a right angle triangle. So is a right angle triangle. So here right angle triangle means here OM square equal to OM square plus AEM square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem. So here OM equal to 3 square plus AM equal to 4 square. That equal to 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 equal to 25. So here OM square equal to 25. OM equal to here root 25. That equal to 5 centimeters. So here OA. Here OA square equal to OA square. Here also OA square. OA equal to 5 centimeters. OA is the radius. OA is equal to 5 centimeters is a radius. So here radius. So this is the solution of fifth one. So next sixth question. In the figure, O is the center of the circle and OM and ON are the perpendiculars from the center to the charts PQ and RS. If OM equal to ON and PQ equal to 6 centimeters, find the RS. Find the RS. So here in the figure, O is the center of the circle, OM and ON are the perpendiculars from the center of the charts. These two are the perpendiculars from the center of the charts PQ and RS. So if OM equal to ON, OM equal to ON, equidistance. So PQ equal to 6 centimeters. So find the RS value. So because these two are the equidistance means equidistance to the center of the charts are equal length. So here automatically RS also 6 centimeters. So here O is the center. Here O is the center. O is the center and the circle OM and ON are the perpendicular from the center to the charts PQ and RS. So here means here OM equal to ON. So perpendicular from the center of the charts PQ and T. So here and OM is perpendicular to PQ. Next ON is perpendicular to RS. So these two are perpendicular. So now thus the chords PQ and R are equal. So here thus the chords PQ and RS are equal. So here equal. So these two are equal means because here distance are equal. Distance OM and ON are equal. So chords length is also PQ and RS length is also equal. So here PQ equal to, here given 6 centimeters. PQ equal to 6 centimeters. So here asking RS. So equal length to the, these two chords equal length to the center. So therefore chords which are equidistant from the center are equal in length. So here therefore RS equal to PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. Already we know the one chord length. So another chord also 6 centimeters. This is the sixth one answer. Next, seventh question. A is the center of the circle and ABCD is a square. If BD equal to 4 centimeters, then find the radius of the circle. So here A is the center of the circle. So here A is the center. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square means 4 sides are equal and diagonals also equal length. So here BD equal to 4 centimeters. BD is a one diagonal. Means here another diagonal is the AC radius. Here AC radius. Here one diagonal BD is 4 centimeter. Means here AC also 4 centimeters. So here radius AC equal to 4 centimeters. We write that one. So here A is the center of the circle. ABCD is a square. So A is a center and ABCD is a square. And BD equal to 4 centimeters. BD equal to 4 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle. So here draw the diagram and join the diagonals AC and BD. Here join the diagonals. Here one diagonal equal to 4 centimeters means automatically this is the square. ABCD is a square. Another diagonal also 4 centimeters. So here we write that one. Here A is the center of the circle. ABCD is a square. BD equal to 4 centimeters. So then AC and BD are the its diagonals. So here therefore also AC equal to BD equal to 4 centimeters. Already we know that BD equal to 4 centimeters. In square diagonals are equal. So here but here AC is a radius of the circle. But here AC is a radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. So radius therefore radius AC equal to 4 centimeters is the answer. This is the seventh one solution. Next, eighth question. Draw a circle with any radius and then draw two chords equidistant from the center. So here we draw the circle and after we draw the equidistance from the center, two chords. Here asking two chords. We draw the diagram. So here already draw the circle. We take any radius, draw the circle. So after we draw the radius in 2. So here to here one radius and here also we draw the another one. So these are the two radius. Here center is the O. Center is the O. So here P, Q are the points. So now here we use the rounder. We take any distance in less than R, radius, less than radius. So here take this distance. Here based on center we draw the two arcs touches the previous radius. So here now these 2 points are the equidistant from the center. So now these two are the here join these 2 points in after draw the charts. So next here also we draw the another chart. So these two charts are equidistant from the center and equidistant from the center and equal length. So here A, B is the one chart, C, D. These are the two charts. This is the diagram. Next we write the steps of constructions. So this is the diagram of 8th one. Now these are the construction steps of the diagram. First one, draw a circle with center O. So here center O. Draw any two radius and mark off 2 M and N on these radius such that PM equal to PN. Last point, draw the perpendicular through M and N to these radius. So here these equal length charts are AB and CD are the two charts. So next here, next 9th question. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle and AB and CD are the equal charts. So here O is the center, AB and CD, these two are the equal length charts. Angle AOB equal to 70 degrees. So find the angles of the OCD. So here we find these three angles. So here equal length charts is subtended the equal angles at the center. So here 70 degrees means here also 70 degrees. Here one angle is given, so we find the another two angles. So here O is the center of the circle. O is the center. So here O is the center of the circle. Next, angle AOB equal to 70 degrees. Angle AOB equal to 70 degrees. Here 70 degrees. So here equal length, here AB of the circle, AB, CD are the equal charts. So AB and CD are equal charts. Equal charts. Here AB and CD are the equal charts means they are subtended. They subtended equal angles at the center. Equal angles at the center. So here equal angles means here angle AOB equal to angle DOC equal to, already we know the 70 degrees, AOB equal to 70 degrees. So these two are 70 degrees. Now in triangle, here this one is the 70 degrees. Here OD and OC are the radius equal length. So these two are the equal length. In triangle ODC. So in triangle OCD or ODC both are equal. So here OC equal to OD. These are radius. These are radius of the circle. So equal because these are radius. So these two are equal in triangle OCD. In triangle OCD, here equal length opposite circles are equal, opposite angles. In a triangle OCD, equal, these two are the equal sides. Equal sides, opposite angles are equal. So by use the angle sum property, we write the angles. Here angle DOC plus angle DOC plus angle OCD plus angle CDO equal to 180 degrees. This is the angle sum property. Property in triangle. So here these sum of these three angles equal to 70. So DOC equal to, we know the 70. These two are the equal. These two are the equal means here angle OCD, here we write 2 OCD equal to 180. So since here OCD equal to angle CDO, so here 2 angle OCD equal to 180 minus 70. 180 minus 70 means here 110. So here 110. Angle 2 into OCD equal to 110. Angle OCD equal to 110 by 2. 2 ones are 255. So 55 degrees. Here another two angles are the 55 degrees. So here one angle is the 70, another two are the 55. So here 70 degrees comma 55 degrees are the three angles in triangle OCD. These are the three angles in triangle OCD. This is the complete 8th one solution. This is the last problem of this exercise 12.4. This complete notes exercise 12.4 complete notes PDF link on description is there. If you are needed, download it.